Hey guys, and welcome to another video of mine. Wow, posting like animation memes was something and drawing a lot. But today is the Brawl Stars collaboration with Subway Surfers in 3, 2, 1, and open. It should open. Oh, really? Okay. New season with the and skin. Oh my gosh, why did I have a stroke in it? Anyways, oh my gosh, I want this skin so bad.
So bad. Oh my god.
Like, Ames is my favorite brawler. And, oh, okay, it's open, the event is on. Woo! Okay. I don't know how it works, I haven't watched videos because lately I didn't care about Brawl Stars, so I said okay, fine. Okay. What is this? Okay, I don't think I paid enough attention on Brawl Talk to see the skin. Okay, so rail tracks. I don't know what to do with those. Subway run. I think I know a bit. I don't know what. I know like you have to go to the point stops there, like checkpoints, and the first one to reach wins. I'm gonna try with Kaze since I have low trophies on her. So, first match. Let's see, of course, 10 out of 10 players. I bet there was even the 11th player out there. Those are bots.
Or should I? On point. A most elegant conclusion. A lady, let me embrace my intrusion. I mean no harm.
I'm gonna okay. Let me just.
I remain humbly grateful.
Okay. That was stupid of me. I'm losing through bots?
Erase everyone.
How on earth am I losing? Lag.
My mistake. I should dodge better.
I'm. No. Gosh, I hate this. This is chaotic. This is chaotic. If I can't kill, okay. Train this train. Okay. Kill the Byron. Kill the Byron. Kill the Byron. I'm literally.
I struggle. I must fall.
Did I kill the Byron and did not realize it? Wait, let me... The lag, dude. The lag. Okay. No. Jesus,
I should dodge better.
are the servers down? Are the servers just done? Like, I know it happened before for the servers to just kill themselves. Did I just not reach the point? Who killed me? Who killed me? Oh my... One left. Okay. I'm losing. I lost. How to get streak on? I think I
Or should I?
myself. Thanks, Brawl Stars. Train tracks. Oh, here. Gosh, I want the M skin, but I do not want to spend a single penny just because I play Cookie Run Kingdom as well, and there's a new cookie which is Beast Rarity called Silent Salt Cookie, and I want to spend my money on that update. Like, I spent enough on Brawl Stars. And the skin comes anyway in 1 year, so yeah, let's open this. Ooh. Pogo Pull. New Subway Surfer. Wow, super. Pull yourself towards an enemy or a wall. That's literally Buzz. Okay. Wow. Coins. Wow. Blink. Wow. More blink. Even more blink. Oh, shiny. Shiny tiny. Oh. You know what? Not mad. The skin is interesting, but it's on Ellie. So I accept it. Well, this is fantastic start for this update. Wow, let's go. Okay, what do I have in here? Coins. Great! Yeah, okay, win 8 battles. Okay, so that's cool. I don't know if I should continue playing with Kaze. Like, should I swap to somebody else? Like, I don't know which brawl could be good. Because I don't want to lose trophies, because this is with trophy base, isn't it? Wait, let me... Battle logs. Yeah, it's trophy based. I knew it. I don't want to lose trophies because of a stupid event. So I'm going just to save play it with Kaze. Because I do not have truck because all my credits went to fame. Fantastic. Absolute fantastic.
Graceful entrance.
Three Kazes. Okay, I used accidentally the ability, but okay. Okay, I did it. No, it's bad. It shows that I'm the first one. I didn't want to be shown to be the first. Okay, let me kill truck. Can I kill truck? Say I kill it. Okay. Like, in this video, you could probably also see my personality, which, yes, I don't know, like I said, I don't know when other videos will come, brother! Okay. So this is just raw footage of me playing the new updates, having fun. Brother, second place, one left. Do it! Okay, one more. Can do this. No, wait, I forgot to. I won. Who cares? I won. I meant to press that super thing. Who cares? I won.
My, such rude company today.
Also, no star drops. Okay. Coins. Wow, how to get the Jake always came like it's you need the brain powerful IQ. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, like it's there. I don't know the rewards, so let me just. So at 8 rails, we're gonna get another. I want to finish off this video by getting another. I don't know how to call it. Box type of thing? I don't know. I don't want to know how it's called. I barely play Brawl Stars like Cookie Run. Got me too much in that game.
So much chaos, so little calm.
I put it again to read that thing.
I should dodge better.
Okay, next. What is also a good idea? Brother, what am I pressing? What buttons am I pressing? What? Come on. Okay, you can die. Respawn. Go back. Go back. Run. 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 Run.
I struggled, but my beauty.
Okay. Run. What am I pressing? What buttons am I pressing? I'm auto-aiming. I'm just auto-aiming at this point. These people. Come on. How many do I have left?
This is most unbecoming.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. What another did I press again? I swear. Okay. Doesn't matter. I won. I'm the best at this game. Nobody can beat me at this game.
My, such rude company today.
PowerPoints. Like I needed more. And coins. Which I need. I need coins. Wait. When did I didn't watch anything about the new Brawl Stars update, so where's Meeple Hypercharge? Do I have to wait more days for...
Look good.
Yes, I have to wait more. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's not like I literally stayed a lot of hours just to finish this guy, which is a daydam, like to get their mastery. No, I did not spend an absurd amount of hours just to master them. No, just your imagination. I need a one more rail track or whatever it's called. Oh my gosh, I need solo showdown time. I'm gonna pause the recording when I'm going to finish everything. So, see ya later. I wanted to also open again the recording because the servers are just dying right now. Yeah. And I don't think it's just a me problem. It's an everyone problem. Because everyone wants to play the new Brawl Stars update, which is a collaboration with Subway Surfers. Which, if you guys want to see me play Subway Surfers Brawl Stars update, I'm gonna probably do it after this video. Like, I don't know, I played just a bit Subway Surfers. On the account that I currently have, because like I played this game. No, I played that game. I was referring to Subway Surfers at this game. I played that game since I was literally like really young. Like, okay, fine. You don't want me to play the new update. Like, what is this invisible barrier that I do have? Let me play. Okay. See, if I'm trying just to auto-aim like this, I could probably win the game, right? No. The answer is probably no. I said here, go right here. In the future, children will control us with glowing things. I don't know how the old man said in that video. Yes, I'm doing that right now and it's not work. Something in Matrix just went off. How are people just dying? Is it because of the smoke? Because they couldn't move? Or they are just actually killing and my internet is actually trash? Like, I know I have internet, like, at this hour I should have internet because usually at the night something that I don't know happens and the internet decides to play tricks on me and I cannot watch animes. That's fantastic. I'll be right back because I won't be commenting this entire thing. But first let's open this and we'll skip that. Never mind, we never opened this star drops again.
Entrance.
Okay, finally. Oh man, I don't know how to play Brawl Stars anymore. Unboxing time with star drops. Nothing. And the legendary is a star power that I probably won't use. Credits. Yes. And the mythic is a Draco pin. You know what? I like pins in the game. I personally like them. So I'm not mad about getting a pin. And now, the moment that you all been waiting for. This monstrosity of a box. Wow, fast track. Fire a damaging projectile that leaves train tracks. Ride the tracks to move faster. Chuck? I don't know what these power-ups are doing. I'm sorry, but I'm guessing here. Coins. Blink. XP doublers. I want to call them token doublers. Yeah, XP doublers, okay. A exclusive pin. Not mad about it. And the last one, it's not shiny tiny, so hey, credits! 10 credits are always good than nothing. Oh! Okay, oh wait, now I'm seeing the corner of the screen. I'm gonna claim another reward. Okay, credit! Good! And 3 gems. Okay, I think those are everything that I should get. Right? Like, maybe, probably. Okay, what an update, am I right? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this amazing video of mine playing just casually the new Subway Surfers update. I personally think it's a decent collab, like it was teased a while ago. Like if you don't know, they're planning on doing this collab for a while and they're just teasing it. And look, it's here! Finally made it. Good job. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one, if there will be a next video. Bye bye.